How to increase your breasts and buttocks. You will get a lifted breast and a prominent butt in just a matter of 3 days. The ingredients you will need are below. 1. Vaseline. 2. Olive oil. Preparation. Put 2 tablespoons of Vaseline into a bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the bowl as well. Now keep mixing together until you get a homogeneous mixture. How to use this amazing cream. You will need to apply this to your breasts, in a circular motion for about 1 minute or 2. Leave the mix on, you do not need to wash it off. Now the same applies to the buttocks. Repeat this process for about 7 days. You will start noticing good results after only 3 days. You will get big and tight breasts and a prominent butt. The results are 100% effective.